Annabelle from Video Variety, and I have this cool hand thing that I've taught my friends, so I'm now going to teach you. I'll show you the whole thing first and go through the steps afterwards. Okay, so there you go, that's the whole thing. Now let's start with the first step. With your right hand, go bum, sh, bum, bum, sh, bum, bum, sh, bum, bum, sh. As you can see, at the beginning it goes bum, sh, bum, bum, sh. And it's the same on the second bit, but it's with 2 beats. Bum, bum, sh, bum, bum, sh. Fit that together on your right hand, there you go. Now the left hand is the same. Bum, sh, bum, bum, sh. 2 beats. Bum, bum, sh, bum, bum, sh. Okay, now both hands. Bum, sh, bum, bum, sh, bum, bum, sh, bum, bum, sh. Well done. So now the next thing is bum. The clap is kind of sideways clap. So ready? Bum. Don't forget the clap in between. And now cross, down, up. Okay? Here we go. Bum, bum, bum. 2 beats. Bum, 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 bum. Well done. Okay, now the next part is this. This is the hardest part as well. Okay, ready? Bum, bum, bum. Number 2 beats. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, well done. Now let's fit that all together. Ready? Bum, 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 bum. Right hands. Bum, 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 bum. Well done. Now the next part is, okay, that's the first bit. And now it's right hand forward, left hand back. Then swap, and then clap. Ready? So, bum, bum, bum. There you go. Now with 2 beats. Bum, 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 bum. Okay? So let's try that. Ready? Bum, 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 bum. Well done. Now the next part goes bum, and then right hand, bum, left hand, bum, clap. 2 beats. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, let's see that. Bum, 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 bum. And now the last bit is 7 of, and then elbow. Okay, that's the whole thing. Now let's do the whole thing very slowly. And don't worry if you can't pick it up straight away, because it's just something you have to practice. Here we go. Well done. Please comment and subscribe, and if you don't guess any of it, comment on that. Okay, thank you for watching.